हेलो एंड वेलकम टू ब्रांड जोन विद मी आमना अदनान। नाज़रीन, हमारे इस प्रोग्राम का मकसद है कि आपको डिफरेंट सेक्टर्स के टॉप फास्ट मूविंग ब्रांड्स के बारे में इन डेप्थ एनालिसिस फराहम करें। उनकी प्रोफाइल्स, बैकग्राउंड, सक्सेस फैक्टर्स और मार्केटिंग स्ट्रैटेजी से लेकर उनके विजन और फिलॉसफीज तक हम आपको आपके फेवरेट ब्रांड्स के बारे में बताते हैं। Today we bring to you on Brand Zone the glitzy and glamorous fashion industry of Pakistan.
Fashion industry of Pakistan is in a dynamic state currently. Though its progress has been gradual, since the past few years it has been moving in the right direction, and quite speedily at that. This year, with increased exposure of the local producers into international markets, fashion industry has been through a tremendous uplift और काफी अच्छे prospects नजर आ रहे हैं। Pakistani fashion industry is making its mark internationally and is showing a lot of potential. With a keen eye on upcoming fashions and trends, the new lot of stylists and designers are sending ripples in the global market. With their originality and creativity, the new developing designers are showing tremendous talent, producing new designs and getting bolder and more creative every day. पाकिस्तान में अब फैशन सिर्फ एंटरटेनमेंट का हिस्सा नहीं रहा है, बल्कि इट हैज बिकम एन एसेंशियल पार्ट ऑफ आवर लाइफ। पिछले साल कराची ने 4 बड़े फैशन शोज होस्ट किए, जो कि पाकिस्तानी फैशन सीन की प्रोग्रेस का मुंह बोलता सबूत थे। शोज वर सुपर्ब इन कंटेंट एंड प्रेजेंटेशन। कराची के नामवर डिजाइनर्स ने इन शोज में अपना पोटेंशियल भरपूर तरीके से जाहिर किया। The work so far from the new lot of designers is nothing but simply superb and of course extremely glamorous. New fashions and trends are not only progressively taking over clothes and apparel, but accessories and thus lifestyles. As we penetrate into the international markets, it is of utmost importance that designers also promote our Eastern trends of clothing and style. Future prospects of fashion are very promising at this stage, and if our designers continue to come up with such creative products, it is not premature to predict that the Pakistani fashion industry would soon be booming and would be recognized not only locally but globally.
After the break, we'll take you for a fast-paced ride behind the scenes of one of the mega brands in the industry that has met with phenomenal success in a very short span of time, Khadi. So stay tuned and we'll be right back. Welcome back. खादी ने अपने सफर का आगाज आज से 6 बरस पहले 1998 में किया। A flair for fashion, feel for the market, a team of creative young energetic designers, complemented by hard work and commitment, producing a wide array of products catering to all styles and tastes ranging from stitched and unstitched garments to innovative home textiles and accessories. खादी ने अपने आप को बहुत strongly establish किया है as one of the leading trendsetters in the field. आइए देखते हैं खादी के इवॉल्वमेंट, ग्रोथ, प्रोडक्ट पोर्टफोलियो और फ्यूचर टारगेट्स पर मुश्तमिल एक खुसूसी रिपोर्ट।
Khadi came into existence with the idea of reviving the craft of hand-woven fabric in 1998. In its 6 years of presence in the market, Khadi has made its own niche with its large variety of colors, finesse of the hand-woven fabric itself, and an overwhelming range of products.
Khadi, the word itself means hand-woven, and it's a hand-woven product that is done in Pakistan, and it is the largest weaving setup in Asia actually. And before this, nothing was hand-woven, and it is kind of reviving a craft.
From a small number of weavers, Khadi has now expanded manyfold, with numerous able hands crafting a wide array of products. Khadi has its own dyeing unit where all the thread is dyed to keep the quality of the thread up to the mark. Khadi has an in-house stitching unit as well, which facilitates the designers to create new designs in the products. Khadi has a fully equipped design studio with a team of highly trained designers who make sure they bring out their best in their work in order to make their products stand out.
Khadi is basically about colors. When we're designing it, color is basically what we keep in mind, which is actually based on the seasons also. Like in summers, we try to use like lighter colors, and for winters, we go for like darker shade because people go according to that. And while designing, what we basically keep in mind is loom has a lot of limitation, but generally we try to experiment with our dupattas so that people don't get bored of it. We try to bring new changes, new products every month or so. One more thing that we do at Khadi is that we never repeat our designs. I mean, you'll never see something repeated. If you want something again, you will never find it.
Ever since the launch of Khadi, an insatiable demand has been seen amongst its clients. Since then, Khadi has been quite keen on expanding its network of shops. Now, Khadi has 5 shops in 3 major cities of Pakistan, making it the only brand which offers hand-woven fabric and other products nationwide. Working with natural fibers such as cotton and silk, from garments to home textiles to accessories, its dedicated team of designers makes sure that each and every piece of fabric is utilized, and thus Khadi enjoys a vast product portfolio, creating and complementing lifestyles.
We started off with basic men's garments, kurtas and shirts, women's garments a little bit, and a lot of fabric. We have diversified now. We are doing a lot of home textiles. We do bedding, along with cushions and quilts. We do rugs. We do a lot of tableware with like tablecloths with matching napkins and placemats. We do accessories. I mean, we don't waste any of our fabric. We utilize every last inch of it, or we try to.
Khadi has a large variety of stitched and unstitched garments, both for men and women, such as kurtas, dupattas, casual shirts, and a large variety of clothing products. Home textiles at Khadi have their own unique look to it. Khadi offers a beautiful range of bed covers to table linen, cushions to floor rugs, and other products related to home textiles. Khadi also offers a vast range of accessories. Beautiful pouches, handbags, folders, notebooks, photo albums, etc. are all made out of access material. Khadi has been very particular about the design and the display of the shops since the beginning. ASA, a leading architectural firm of Pakistan, has designed all the shops in all the 3 cities. The basic ideology of